Hey, this is Mal. I'm going to try and pick this Betox Chinesium this detainer. I just went and modified the tips on my cheapo Chinesium picks, so I thinned out the rear tensioner. You see that there? And I also thinned out the tip, so it's much thinner. Just take your time, go slow. You won't damage the tip. I know a lot of people have went through 5 or 6 of these before they managed to do something with it. But yeah, so all I did was use the rear tensioner. For the rear tensioner, I used the key as a reference. If I use the key for a reference and the rear end of the tip matches the key now. Just for this lock, I guess I can manage it change it up a little bit more if I need a different type of pick. But yep, the lock does indeed work. It's as rough as sandpaper, but it does work. Here goes. I've only managed to get it open once. Here's one on video, hopefully. I'm going to use this cheapo wafer pick to set all the discs to one side. Get them all in there, go for it. And then try and slide this in there. Hopefully I'll get all the way to the back. That's this on the back pin. And here we go. Left-handed, so it's a little bit awkward in front of the camera, but let's start with pin 1. No, it's an open. Thanks. Hope you guys have a good one. See you.